Welcome to the LambdaX authoring module. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key features of document creation and editing, including creating a document from scratch, using templates to auto-populate header fields, adding, updating, or deleting fields and clauses, using redlining for proposed changes and comments, and downloading and duplicating documents. Let's get started. To create a new document from scratch, you'll find the agreement you want to edit and click Edit Mode. You'll navigate over to the three dots in the right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll click Authoring. Once you've done that, you'll click New, and you'll start with a blank document. You can enter a document title and relevant description, and click Create. You can click on your newly created document and start adding content manually, including clauses, fields, line items, and tables. This option gives you full control over document structure and content. For faster document creation, you can use a pre-built template. You follow the same instructions. You'll go to Edit. You'll go to the three dots in the right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll select Authoring. You'll hit New, and this time you'll start with a new template. You can browse the available templates, or you can search through them. Once you've found the correct template, you can click Next. You can then fill in relevant title and description and hit Create. You can click on your document that was created and watch the header fields auto-populate with relevant details. Templates ensure consistency and save time by pre-filling key document information. You can easily customize your document by managing fields and clauses. To add a field, click the Details tab, find the section relevant to your field, and click on the Add to Document icon. On this document, we have the name field, and we want to add recipient name to it. You can simply put your cursor next to the name and find the field you want to add and click Add to Document. As you can see, the name appears exactly how it is pre-configured in your agreement. To delete a field, you can simply put your cursor at the end of the field and click Backspace. To add it, just Add to Document. Clauses and line items can also be added, modified, or removed based on contract requirements. This ensures that each document reflects the latest terms and conditions. Collaboration is seamless with the redlining feature. You can enable redlining mode to track changes, suggest edits, add comments in all modes such as View, Edit, and Suggest, and you can also review changes made by others before finalizing. As you can see here, we have the editing, suggesting, and viewing mode. You can highlight the text and leave a comment. Once you leave your comment, it'll show up in the comment section, and you can refer back to it later. This feature helps maintain a clear revision history and streamlines approvals. Once your document is complete, you have multiple options. You have the option to download, to export your document as a PDF, Word, or JSON file. You can also use the duplicate feature to create a copy for a new version or use case. This ensures easy document sharing, storage, and reuse. That's a quick guide to the LambdaX authoring module. For more tutorials, check out our other training videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates. Thanks for watching, and happy authoring with LambdaX.